what are the different types of surgeries available for treatment of piles. So in general, depending on the stage of piles, we have different varieties of treatment. In one of them, we seal the main supply to the pile mass. Piles are nothing but bunches of blood vessels. So you supply, if it is cut off, then it will stop bleeding. So there are different varieties of cutting of the supply. Some use injections, sclerotherapy. They use injections to close the vessels. Some use infrared coagulation. We use infrared coagulator to seal the vessel. There is one more method called Doppler guided hemorrhoidal arterial ligation. So using Doppler, we locate the vessel and close the supply. That also we use in bigger piles. So cutting of the supply is, or lasers can be used. So these are some of the methods to cut off the supply. That they are one sort of procedures. If the pile mass is very big, coming out, going back, or it has to be removed, then again we can use lasers, we can use RF, we can use harmonic. There are different, again, technologies. So there are at least 10 to 12 different procedures or surgeries available for treatment of piles, and every new year some new gadgets, new techniques will be coming. So as a patient, you don't bother about what sort of gadget is used or what sort of technology is used, though you would like to use the latest technologies which will improve the outcomes. So ultimately, I am using the best technology, and if I am not getting the result out of it, what is the use of it? Only will be paying more. So this one should be, by using this technology, what advantages you are getting and how soon it will be recovering, and what is the chances of not getting the disease again. You have to think of those things rather than what technology or what technique. When you are discussing with your surgeon, you discuss and inquire about everything. Because of your inquisitiveness, you can get all the details, how it is done, all that. But that should not be the deciding factor, that you will come with a predetermined view that I want laser surgery, I want Doppler surgery. Don't go with that. Keep an open mind. Ask the doctors. The more expertise they have, and more experience they have, and more specialized services they have, the results will be far superior. And most of those sort of centers of excellence will have all the available gadgets, and they use it very judiciously. So you have to select that sort of centers rather than you yourself selecting a technology. So there are varieties of procedures are available, and the procedure will be decided by the degree of piles, in what stage your piles are there, and other comorbidities, like you have diabetes, you have cardiac problems, then they may vary the surgical procedure. And then expertise of that particular surgeon in that particular technology, and the availability of the technology and cost factor, all these things will be taken into account, and that will be decided. You have to discuss with your surgeon and then take a call.